In this course, we're going to be building a YouTube clone. So to get started with, I'll show you how to upload a video. So I'm going to go ahead and select a random video such as this one, which is in 4K. And I'm just going to go ahead and put hello world as the description text here. Gonna add in this as the tag. And I'm going to go ahead and select a date here. As you can see, it's processing the video now in the background. While it's processing this video, it's generated a preview image from the video itself. It's created a standard definition format already, and it's now going to be processing to create HD and 4K. So I'm going to go ahead and create a thumbnail for this. I'm going to upload this one, I think. And as you can see now, this thumbnail has been uploaded, which is perfect. We can now either wait till it processes in here, or we could even just click up and click publish. And as you can see, we now have a new video here. I can go ahead and I can change the quality of the video. And as the video processes, more qualities will become available, such as Full HD and 360p. You can like or dislike the video. You can preview on the slider here, which is something that you need to generate what's called a VTT file for using FFmpeg, which is what we're going to be using to processing the video. Along with that, we're also generating a view every time we view it as a unique person, so it will only generate one view per user. You can go ahead and see which video is trending, which is based on how many views the user has. If we, for example, went into the table here and wanted to generate 1,000 views for a given video, I've created a function here we can use. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to go ahead and make sure we relate this to a video. So I'm going to say video number 42 in here. Run it. And if we now go ahead and look here, you can see that we've generated 1,000 views for this video. And it's automatically abbreviated into 1,000 views, so it looks a bit neater and cleaner. When you go ahead and click here, you can see that the video is actually previewing in real time upon hovering it. This is a functionality YouTube implements as well on the homepage. So if I, for example, wanted to go in and view my channel, I can also do that. I'm able to view the videos I've uploaded, which is these two. And I could also go ahead and customize it, such as changing the about page to saying this is my channel. Welcome to my new channel. Gonna save this, and you can see that it automatically updates this along with saying how many views you have, the total number of subscribers, and the total views. I've also gone ahead and created a new user here as well. And you can see I can view my channel here and I've subscribed to it. So if I go ahead to my channel Matilde, I can then unsubscribe or subscribe to it. It works really smoothly. I'm also able to change the banner image if it's my own channel, but not if it's someone else's. So if I go ahead here, I could go in and change this to, let's say, the banner image like this, for example. It will still just update automatically, but you will see that it will be updated in this case. I could also go ahead, for example, and change it to another image, but that doesn't look very nice. So it's just pretty much automatically updating it. Along with that, we can also go ahead and just check back on this video now. You can see that it's now been processed all the way up to 4K. And we can then watch the video in the full resolution. So outside of that, it also contains the functionalities upon when you create an Laravel app using Breeze or Jetstream, where you can enable two-factor authentication and change the profile picture and so on. You're able to search, where it comes down with an auto suggestion that you can click on, and you can then see we have this video available here, just like before. This is all built using Livewire 3, and we're going to be going over most of these features in the next couple of weeks, and some of it will be going into February. Outside of that, that's all for this video, and let's head on to the next video where we will get started installing the project.